Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English teacher for class 8. In the previous lecture we have done verse meaning and central idea of this poem. Today we will do question answers of the neem tree. Open your English text copy. Draw a margin line, mention date, write chapter name, the neem tree. Write question answers. Question number 1. Who composed this poem? Write few lines about him, her. Answer. This lovely and listenable poem was composed by Mrs. Elsa Kazi. She was born at Weimar in Germany. She met Allama II Kazi in 1907. She married in 1910 and came to Sindh in 1911. She wrote poems in German and in English. She died on 28 May 1967 and is buried beside her husband at Sindh University campus, Jamshoro. Question number 2. What does the neem tree look like? Answer. The neem tree looks like a sheltering umbrella that covers and provides soothing shade. The one who comes under its shade feels comfort and easiness. It removes the affliction of the human beings through its comfortable and refreshing shade. Now we will start our new chapter, page number 28. Chapter name is Helen Keller. How fortunate are those who are born into this world with two eyes to see all its beauty. कितने खुशकिस्मत होते हैं वो लोग जो इस दुनिया में दो आँखों के साथ पैदा होते हैं इसकी तमाम खूबसूरती देखने के लिए. But there are some unfortunate people who can neither see nor hear. लेकिन कुछ बदकिस्मत लोग भी होते हैं जो ना देख सकते हैं और ना सुन सकते हैं. This world, which is so full of beautiful colors and sweet sounds, appears colorless and dull to these poor souls. ये दुनिया जो खूबसूरत रंगों और मीठी आवाज़ों से भरी है इन मासूम बेचारे लोगों के लिए बेरंग और मध्यम दिखाई देती है. What a misfortune! क्या बदकिस्मती है. They cannot see the lovely flowers blooming in the gardens and hear the birds singing sweet songs. वो बागों में खूबसूरत फूल खिलते नहीं देख सकते और ना परिंदों की मीठी आवाज़ सुन सकते हैं. They indeed feel very sad for their fate is so hard. वो वाकई बहुत दुख महसूस करते हैं अपनी सख्त किस्मत पर. Worse is the fate of those who can see and hear once and then no more. उनकी किस्मत ज़्यादा बदतर है जो एक बार सुन और देख लें उसके बाद ना कभी सुन सकें और ना देख सकें. But they are so courageous and bold that they do not look unhappy. लेकिन वो बहुत बहादुर और हौसलामंद होते हैं जो नाखुश दिखाई नहीं देते. They accept the challenge of their fate and try to live cheerfully. वो अपनी किस्मत के चैलेंज को कबूल करते हैं और खुश रहने की कोशिश करते हैं. Among such brave and courageous persons, the name of Miss Helen Keller tops the list. इन तमाम बहादुर और हौसलामंद लोगों में मिस हेलन केलर का नाम सरे फहरिस्त है. Helen Keller was born in 1880 in a little town in the United States of America. Helen Keller 1880 में अमेरिका के एक छोटे शहर में पैदा हुई. Up to the age of 2, she was quite a normal child. 2 साल की उम्र तक वो बिल्कुल नॉर्मल बच्ची थी. She could see and hear everything. वो सब कुछ देख और सुन सकती थी. In February 1882, little Helen fell dangerously ill. 1882 में हेलन सख्त बीमार हो गई. All felt sorry for her because she became blind and deaf. तमाम लोगों को बहुत दुख महसूस हुआ क्योंकि वो नाबीना और बहरी हो गई थी. Her parents looked sad. Everybody was unhappy and the little child felt miserable. हर कोई नाखुश था और उनके वालिदैन भी बहुत अफसरदा हो गए. When she was 7 years old, her life suddenly changed. जब वो 7 साल की हुई उनकी ज़िंदगी एकदम बदली. Helen's father asked a lady named Miss Sullivan to come and look after his blind child. उनके वालिद ने उनकी जिम्मेदारी एक खातून जिनका नाम मिस सोलेवन था उन्हें सौंपी। मिस सोलेवन हैड herself become blind when she was a child, but afterwards she got her eyesight back. मिस सोलेवन जो खुद भी बचपन में नाबीना थीं, लेकिन कुछ वक्त बाद उन्हें उनकी बीनाई वापस मिल गई थी। She thanked God for his kindness to her by helping other blind people and them happy and content. उन्होंने नाबीना लोगों की मदद करके उन्हें खुश और मुतमईन करके खुदा का शुक्र अदा किया। She started teaching Helen. उन्होंने हेलन को पढ़ाना शुरू किया। One day, एक दिन, she took Helen to the river bank and put her hand in the water. एक दिन वो हेलन को दरिया के किनारे ले गईं और उनका हाथ पानी में रखा। Slowly, she made her write the word water on the sand. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उन्होंने हेलन से रेत पर वाटर का लफ्ज़ लिखवाया। She made her do it several times and thus Helen learned how to spell the word water. उन्होंने कई बार यही लफ्ज़ लिखवाया और आखिरकार हेलन वाटर का लफ्ज़ हिज्जे करना सीख गईं। She felt very excited. उन्हें बहुत खुशी महसूस हुई because she knew that at last there would be some light in her dark world. वो जानती थीं कि आखिरकार उनकी अंधेरी दुनिया में रोशनी ज़रूर होगी। Now we will do question answers of Helen Keller. Open your English text copy. Draw margin line, mention date, write question answers. Question number 1. Who was Miss Sullivan? How did she teach Helen Keller? Miss Sullivan was Helen's teacher. She was very kind and patient lady. She took Helen's responsibility on her shoulders to restore her back to life. She taught Helen Keller with zeal and zest by touching and feeling method. Question number 2. How did Helen Keller learn to read and write? Answer. Helen Keller's teachers made her to read and write like normal people. Miss Sullivan was used to take her to the river's bank. She put her hand in the water. Slowly and gradually, she made her to write water on sand. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your homework and submit it on coming Saturday. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.